Hi guys! Naanami diri sa King Kong at Khao Kho. The famous sige na siya mo. Basta ka na magtutuyok. Windmill. Windmill, dili treadmill. Yan guys.
A few moments later.
Then, here we go. Abot na diri sa may garden sa Khao Kho. So, wind farm. So, there are a lot of beautiful flowers. Daghan and it is so colorful along with other stuffs. Char. Anyway, nice jud kayo ang windmill. It's my first time here and at the same time. So, nindot jud kayo ang lugar. Kay, as in, if hilig mo flowers and everything, you would really enjoy this place with your friends or with your family. Kaso pag abot naman daari kay gabi lang siya kainit. But still, we enjoy the moment. Visit Toyok na nice kayo mga flowers. Di na ni bago sa akong mga flowers kay I've seen them a lot also in the Philippines. So ayan, mga picture na lang din ako mag-capture. Yan. Ayan, si Mother. CJ. Ako, na morgue artista. Charot. Ayan. Picture. Oh, mauro to. Tapos na po na mong laag by this time. Pauli na mi. So, I hope you guys enjoy this short video or clip sa mong laag because we enjoyed it very much. So, kita-kita na po ta sa sunod. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment para char. See you sa mong next laag. Bye!